I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Remote Monitor. First, ensure you have DaVinci Resolve Studio installed and a reliable internet connection. Open your project and navigate to the color page. Then, locate the Remote Monitoring panel, usually found in the Workspace menu. This panel is your gateway to initiating and managing collaborative grading sessions with clients or other colorists, allowing for real-time feedback and adjustments from anywhere in the world. To set up your session, begin by enabling remote monitoring within your DaVinci Resolve project settings. Generate a unique session link, which acts as your invitation. Share this link securely with your collaborators, who can then join using a web browser or another Resolve system. It's crucial that all participants have a stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or higher, to ensure smooth, high-quality video streaming and minimal latency throughout your collaborative grading session. Once connected, you can leverage the powerful real-time collaboration features. Utilize the integrated chat function for instant communication, discussing creative choices and technical adjustments as they happen. Observe live color grade adjustments from all connected participants, seeing changes reflected immediately on your monitor. This interactive feedback loop allows you to provide input and make decisions collaboratively, significantly enhancing efficiency and potentially speeding up your review process by up to 50%, saving valuable time. For optimal performance, always ensure your network settings are optimized, prioritizing bandwidth for DaVinci Resolve. If you encounter common connection issues or latency problems, try reducing the video quality settings or checking your firewall configurations. Regularly update your software to benefit from the latest stability and performance improvements. By following these best practices, you can maximize your remote monitoring workflow, achieving professional results and saving hours of traditional review time, making your remote sessions seamless and productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.